air quality has only worsened, and now in the latest it has slipped into dangerous category, breaching the 456 mark. So multiple places, including the Barapulla flyover, the Dwarka sector, Akshardham, we have many areas, including Sardar Patel Marg as well, that are seeing the AQI levels reach even 480 in some places. In fact, there are fears that it could be much more. And look at the visuals on the screen. At India Gate, at about 8 a.m., these were the visuals, which means that visibility was really low, and this is because of the fog and because of the pollutants that are adding to the problem. So visibility was low, because of which the traffic had also been affected. Visuals from Anand Vihar as well as Akshardham as well. So this was the condition, and now in fact we are told that in multiple areas in the Delhi NCR region it has slipped further. So Delhi is continuing to breathe hazardous air, while politics is playing out on one hand. It's the people who are suffering.
With the onset of fog in northern part of the country and deteriorating air quality index in Delhi NCR, a thick layer of smog has engulfed the whole area. Right now we are driving from the expressway which connects Ghaziabad, Noida, Indirapuram to Delhi, and you can see that how a thick layer of smog has engulfed the whole area. On my right side is Akshardham temple, but it's not visible due to the smoggy conditions. Now the air quality index in Delhi has reached to the alarming level. Many areas are reporting air quality index more than 400, which is in severe plus category, and people in Delhi NCR have to inhale this toxic air. Now several airlines have also stated that their operations could take a hit, and they have advised the passengers to ensure that they speak with the airlines before they go to the airport. Now the question over here is that the air quality index has reached to the alarming levels. Every year is the same story, but in the end what we see is the blame game played by the political parties. Will we see a constructive debate in Parliament today on the issue of pollution? That remains to be seen, because the country, specifically the northern part of the country in Delhi NCR, they want their parliamentarians to discuss the alarming situation, the emergency-like situation that has been prevailing from past 7 to 8 years in Delhi, where the air quality index usually in the month of December reaches to the severe category. The GRAP 4 has been invoked in Delhi, but in the end, are these measures enough to curb pollution? That remains to be seen.
Let's go across to my colleague Kritika for a live update. Kritika, what is the action that has been taken by the Delhi government? There's a lot of politics around it, but the question is, what are the actual measures that have been taken short term and long term? Because finally, it's the people who are suffering.
Well, as far as the Delhi government is concerned, or the National Capital Region, the CAQM, the Central Pollution Control Body, has enforced GRAP Stage 4. What that means is that now schools up till class 12, except for the board years of class 10th and 12th, will be shifted to a hybrid mode. It also means that the central government and the state governments in the NCR region are advised to, in fact, allow staggered office timings and only have 50% of their employees work from home. The CAQM has also asked all of these state governments to suspend all outdoor sports activities till the month of January also, given the severe pollution that the country is currently reeling under. Now, as far as the Delhi government is concerned, no other specific measures have been announced other than the hybrid schooling for children up to class 12th. In addition to this, there are daily posts from the handles of the top leaders on removing garbage and making sure that the roads are cleaner. However, from Noida till Dwarka, dust is something, vehicular emissions and dust is something that still persists beyond the efforts of the Delhi government as well.
Absolutely. And you know, the entire Delhi NCR region, it's become very difficult to even breathe, and the visibility is really low as well. Akanksha is also on the broadcast with us to put things into numbers. Akanksha, it's clear that what we're breathing is very, very dangerous or poisonous air.
Absolutely, and look right here. In fact, the National Capital Region is completely red, and that shows you the gravity of the situation. Let me take you through the numbers one by one. Dwarka, 461, the current AQI. IJ Airport 381, the Chad Garden 461 right now, ITO closer to the Parliament 462 right now, Jahangir Puri is 495, the stadium, Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium is 457, Lodi Road again very close to the Parliament 417, and also we are learning that the current AQI is currently at 450, but at several locations across the national capital, Pratibha, the AQI has crossed the 500 mark as well. Let me also show you the private pollution monitoring station is here in this area, and this is the outskirts of the national capital, in and around the Noida area. Here, as you can see, the AQI has crossed the 700 mark. So this is sector 122 Noida, where the AQI currently is 712. Here in Noida as well, 778, and that shows you how it has not just crossed the 500 mark, but as per the private pollution monitoring station, it has crossed the 700 mark at several locations across the Delhi NCR region.
Okay, all right. Akanksha, thank you for joining us with those